Today I'll talk about the computer skills of industrial student. Computer skills of industrial students is some software like Solidworks. You can practice Solidworks, and the Solidworks is able to modeling any products. It's a very important software for industrial student, and another software is software, and another skill is computer programming, which is machine learning is able to by program, and too many software you can practice, but SolidWorks is the very important of them. So we should practice SolidWorks every single day for modeling any product. Look the calculator, and any product you can design by SolidWorks by mold for molding and anything. So SolidWorks is the very important software, but it's require computer configurations very high, because it's about the 12 GB. It's a heavy software, so it's very important. You can practice from now. If you are becoming a mechanical engineer or industrial engineer from student life, we should practice SolidWorks more, because SolidWorks make many models for many industries. Or without SolidWorks you can't not able to model any products. So practice SolidWorks every single day if you want to expert